Hello, welcome. My name is Kelly Schwartzbauer, and I am a middle school literature and language arts teacher at Hill Murray. I've been with Hill Murray for 6 years. I teach primarily 7th grade English, but I also have taught 8th grade and 9th grade. I am very excited that you're considering Hill Murray, and I'm happy to share with you what an outstanding program we have in middle school literature and language arts. In grade 6, students are focused mainly on fundamental writing. So they're starting with some pretty basic standard expectations with their writing, and they build throughout the year to solid paragraphs, to essays, and meanwhile, all while reading literature, various books as class novels, and also through the textbook, which is the collections textbook you see in the center of the slide. We also work on vocabulary development. We use a program called Satelier Vocab Workshop, and this is a program that we use 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th grade, and so each level builds upon the other. We really take time to focus on the process of writing and developing ideas, and then working on sentence structures and paragraph development and essay work. So the grammar program we use is called No Red Ink, and it is a great program we use in 6th, 7th, and 8th that really takes time to find out what our student is very strong in, what areas of grammar, and then we can really focus our instruction on what it is that the student is needing to learn or to develop. So we also take time to allow for students to have independent reading. With time outside of class, it's very busy with lots of activities, and so we are fortunate to have time to provide independent reading with our block scheduling. And that is our 6th grade. These two novels, The Bridge to Terabithia and Out of My Mind, those are class novels. We do change those up occasionally, so if a student has already read one of them, there's lots of opportunity to discover another novel that they can work on similar ideas. In grade 7, we are focused really on the pillars of development in grammar, writing, reading, vocabulary, and we also take time to really focus on genre study. So there's a variety listed here: realistic fiction, mythology, historical fiction. We do as well continue on with the vocab workshop, the next level. Class novels include The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton, The Giver by Lois Lowry, and The Adoration of Jenna Fox. We do use the collections textbook for 7th grade as well. The writing is continuing the writing process and development of the writing process, and really working on being able to, develop the analysis of literature. So a lot of pulling of textual evidence to support an argument, a lot of looking at style and purpose of authors, and then writing of longer paragraphs. They're doing the 5-paragraph essay in grade 7 as well. In grade 8, the students will focus on lots more writing and reading, developing higher order and critical thinking skills. So the variety of genres can be from folk tales to contemporary stories. The center book there, An Unbroken Chain, is a series of short vignettes of a Holocaust survivor. They read portions of the diary of Anne Frank at the same time as they are studying the Holocaust in World War II in social studies. In addition, there is a text that they read at the same time as the Civil Rights Unit in social studies, titled Mississippi Trial 1955, and that is the historical fiction about the Emmett Till and his murder in 1955. Collections is used in part, as well as the vocabulary workshop, the next level up. So it's really more about building on sophistication of writing, expanding the ideas and the critical thinking going into the writing. There's some persuasive and creative writing, as well as some speaking assignments that come up in 8th grade. So that's a brief overview of our middle school literature language arts program. I am very excited you're considering Hill Murray. It is a really outstanding place, and we would be so lucky to have you here in our middle school. Thank you and have a wonderful day.